Welcome to our comparison of two popular compact washing machines, the Black+Decker Small Portable Washer and the COSTWAY Twin Tub Portable Washer. In today's video, we'll dive into their features, performance, and how they cater to the needs of apartment and dormitory living. Whether you're looking for a fully automatic solution or a budget-friendly twin tub option, we've got you covered. The Black+Decker Small Portable Washer offers a fully automatic washing experience, allowing users to set it and forget it. In contrast, the COSTWAY Twin Tub requires manual intervention for filling, draining, and transferring clothes between the wash and spin cycles. This key difference highlights the convenience of automation versus the hands-on approach of the twin tub design. When it comes to capacity, the COSTWAY Twin Tub stands out with its impressive 26 pounds total capacity, allowing users to wash larger loads at once. The Black+Decker, while offering a compact 1.7 cubic feet capacity, is designed for smaller loads, making it ideal for those with limited laundry needs. This comparison showcases the trade-off between size and efficiency. In terms of pricing, the Black+Decker Small Portable Washer comes with a higher price tag of $348, reflecting its advanced features and fully automatic operation. On the other hand, the COSTWAY Twin Tub offers a budget-friendly option at just $189, making it an attractive choice for those looking for value without compromising on capacity. This price difference is a crucial factor for many consumers. In conclusion, both the Black+Decker Small Portable Washer and the COSTWAY Twin Tub Portable Washer have their unique advantages. The Black+Decker offers convenience and automation, while the COSTWAY provides exceptional capacity and affordability. Depending on your laundry needs and budget, either option could be the perfect fit for your compact living space. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.